Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to deactivate your Facebook account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com, and then you want to log in your account. After that, go ahead and click on your profile at the upper part of your screen and click settings and privacy, then click settings. So once you're here, just go ahead and click your Facebook information. Then here you can see deactivation and deletion. So just go ahead and click that. And here you can see deactivate account. This can be temporary. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. So just click continue to account deactivation, and here you just need to re-enter your password, and you can now, so just gonna show it to you. So now you can transfer your information, and here reason for leaving, it is required. So I'm just gonna, this is temporary, I'll be back. So here, after that, you can explain why you want to deactivate your account, and here you can now click deactivate, and here just need to click deactivate now and your account will be deactivated. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.